Hello everyone, welcome to IBT Malad. In this video, we'll see top 20 previous year question of SBI PO. As you know, SBI PO's exam is nothing but on this Sunday. So you should know how to tackle the question and how to deal with the question. Okay, so let's begin our discussion. But before that, I would like to tell you one thing, that you can also join our offline online batch. And you can call on the given number on your screen. Let's move ahead. Here the question is from DI. So in this exam you will find 2 to 3 DI, number series or wrong number, and quadratic inequality. So all these sections I have compiled in this particular video. Okay, so here is what your data. Now we'll move for the question. Okay, so now we'll see the question number 1. In 2002 to 2003, the percentage increase in the production of barley as compared to the previous year was. So here it is talking about this. Okay, so here it is 380 and previously it was 320. So how much it has been increased? It is 60 on this 320. Okay, so if I'll deduct 2 3s are and 2 16s are, so 3 5s are 15, approximate I am doing, and it will be 20%. So nearby 20% is nothing but one option, that is 18.75. How basically I have reducted it? This is what 3 5s are, 2 3 6 are, means 16 is lying between 15 and 18, so 5 to 6. So here this percentage will be from 20 to 16.66, but it will be nearby this 5. Okay, so here this will be nearby this 20%, so it will be what your answer. Let's move ahead. Now here during the period of 1999 to 2000 to 2003-4, X is the total production. The value of X is. So what you need to do, basically you have to add all this value, you have to add all this value, you have to add all this value, you have to add all this value. ठीक है, तो सारा value add करना है and you have to get the value. So this is what nothing but addition. So just add and find out your answer. This will be your homework. Do it. Now moving ahead, see the third question. Here it is asking about the production was maximum over the previous year for. So here in 2003-4 basically here कौन से क्रियल्स में सबसे ज़्यादा जो है प्रोडक्शन बढ़ा है, मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा इंक्रीज हुआ है प्रोडक्शन का. सो हियर इट इज़ हाउ मच? इट इज़ 100. इट इज़ हाउ मच? 160 यू कैन से हियर. एंड इट इज़ हाउ मच? यू कैन से 30, 8, 3, 11. एंड हियर इट इज़ व्हाट? 190. करेक्ट. सो 190 इज highest or maximum you can say, so that will be for other creoles. Okay, moving ahead. Now the next question says the difference of average production of rice and the average production of barley over the years is. So average production of rice, तो rice का निकालो. This will be 0, this will be 11 to 13 7, 20 0 2 2 to 4 4 8 3 11 15 5 20, and this will be 2000. So this was for what? This was for rice. Now we'll add for this barley. So it will be 0 8 1 9 to 11 11 4 15 5 0, that will be 2 2 2 4 4 8 8 3 11 3 14 4 18. So here the difference is 200 divided by 3 to 5, so 5. So it will become 40, which is your fourth option. Okay, moving ahead. Now you can see the quadratic inequalities question. Okay, so here in the first question, what you will do, you will find or you will break this 10 into 2 parts, right? So when you will multiply that 2 parts, you should get this plus 10, and when you will add that 2 part, you should get this minus 7. So I can say that will be nothing but minus 5 and minus 2. Is it correct? If you multiply this, you will get plus 10, and if you add this, you will get minus 7. Now just change the sign. So here 5 and 2, which is nothing but your x. And for y, here this is 3. So 2 और 1 हमें लेना है. Okay, sorry, 3 और 1 हमें लेना है, and it will be minus 3. Means when you will multiply minus 3 and 1, you will get what? Minus 3, and if you will add, you will get minus 2. So sign change, so it will be 3 and this will be minus 1. Now what you have to do, you have to compare this. So here x is what? Greater in both the cases, and here y is what? Greater than x. Means 3 is what? Greater than 2 na? So y will be greater. So you can say the contradiction have occurred. Means एक जगह y बड़ा हो गया, एक जगह x. So here you can say x is equal to y, or relation cannot be established. Hope you are understanding. Moving ahead, we'll see the question number 6th, and here you can see x square minus 24x plus 143 is equal to 0. So 143 को break करना है 2 parts में. So here you can say it will be 13 and 11. But you need positive 143 and negative 24. So you will take minus 13 minus 11. Now change the sign, so it will become 13 and 11. Here this is 210, and you don't know about this 210's factor. So what you will do, you will just factorize it by 2. So 2 tens are and 5, correct? Now 3 threes are, 3 fives are, now 7 fives are 35. So what you can do, 3 twos are 6, 5s are 30, because we need what? Only 2 factor na. So we'll multiply this, or we'll combine some factors here. So 5 3s are 15 and 7 2s are 14. So you can say 14 एक ले लिया, दूसरा 15 एक ले लिया, करेक्ट? एक 14 हो गया और एक 15 हो गया. बट वी नीड माइनस 29, सो माइनस 14 माइनस 15 ऐड करोगे, 29 मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, सो इट विल गिव यू 210. So now just change the sign. So here you are getting 14 and 15, which is nothing but, you can see easily, this is what? Greater. So y will be what? Greater than x. So your option will be this third one. Moving ahead, x square plus 22x plus 117. So 22, you can say this is 7 13 9s are, okay, and here you need what? Plus, and here also you need plus. So both will be in positive, and after changing the sign you will get what? Minus 13 and minus 9. Okay, for y this is 132, which is nothing but 11 12s are, and here also you need plus, here also you need plus, so it will be plus. If you change the sign, so here it will be minus 11 and minus 12. Now if you compare these two value, so these two are greater, so y is what? Greater than x. And if you compare these, then you will say ki x will be greater than y, because minus 9 is greater than minus 11 minus 2. So here again contradiction sign will occur, and you can say relation cannot be established, because these two signs cannot be simultaneously. Moving ahead, see the question number 8. Here this is what? 2x square minus 3x minus 20. If you multiply these two things, so you will get what? Minus 40. Now you need to multiply two values, so that you should get this minus 40, and if you add, you should get this minus 3. So this will be minus 8 and 5. Okay, so if you change the sign, so your x will be 8 and minus 5. Now you need to divide by 2, because here it is 2. So this will be 4 comma minus 2.5. Now I'll talk about y. So here 15 2s are 30 and 6 5s are, and here plus plus, so it will be plus. So you can say your answer will be minus 6 and minus 5. You need to divide by 2 as well here, because coefficient is 2. So 3 minus 3, and here this will be minus 2.5. Now we'll compare. This 4 will be what? Greater than this minus 3. So x is greater, and this also be greater here. Minus 2.5 will be greater than minus 3. So x will be greater than y again, and here it is equal. So x will be equal. Now you can say x is greater than equal to y, which is your second option. Moving ahead, here you can see x square minus 12x plus 32. So 8 4s are 8 4. So minus 8 minus 4 you will take, because we need minus 12 after adding. So if you change the sign, so here 8 and 4, and we'll do for this. So here 12 8s are minus 12 minus 8s are, because here we need plus 96 and here we need minus 20. If you change the sign, you will get what? 12 and 8. Correct? You can easily see here it is what? Smaller, and here it is equal to y. Now here this is what? Lesser than y. Here also it is lesser than y. So you can say here x is lesser than equal to y, which is your D option. Correct? Hope you are understanding. Let's move ahead. Now we'll see the question of wrong number. Okay, wrong number series. This will be also 5 mark question in your exam. So how basically you have to solve this type of question? You need to find out the difference. Okay, so difference find out करो और देखो क्या आ रहा है. तो difference यहाँ पे हम करेंगे. So here you will get 13. Here you will get what? 16. And here you will get what? 20. So you can see the difference is 3. Here it is 4. Now it should be 25. Yes, of course it is 25. Here it should be 31, because 3 4 5 and here 6. Now we'll see the next change. So here it is 8, and here it is what? 48. So it is not 7 or not of 7. So your wrong number will be 158 only. One more thing by which you can understand that 158 will be the wrong number, because the pattern is what? Following till 1110. If in between any number would have been incorrect, then there would be two value which will not following the pattern. So by this you can understand from here to here all the values is following the pattern. So only this last number would be what? Incorrect. Now the question number 11. Find out the difference. So it will be 16. Here this is 20. Here this will be 24. Here this will be 28. 32 minus 104. Here the difference is 30, and here the difference is 34. But here it should be 34, because 4 4 का डिफरेंस है 4 4 4. तो यहाँ पे भी 4 और यहाँ पे भी 4, मतलब 36 होना चाहिए था. बट दो वैल्यू मतलब 30 और 34 गलत आ रहा है, पैटर्न में नहीं आ रहा है. मीन्स जो रॉन्ग नंबर है अपना 134 है. ठीक है, मूविंग अहेड. अब हम बात करेंगे यहाँ पे. सो यू कैन सी हियर, यू कैन सी द पैटर्न. 5 1 5 1 6, 6 2 12 plus 2 14, 14, 3 42 plus 3 45, 45, 4 plus 4, and this will become 184. Now 184 into 5 plus 5. So this will become 920. If you multiply 5 4 20, 18 5 92, 92 plus 5. So it should be 925, but it is 920. So this is what your wrong number. Moving ahead, this is what the difference of 12, this is what the difference of 13, and this is what the difference of 15, and this is what the difference of 18, and this is what the difference of 24, and here this is what the difference of 25. So here you can see 1, here this is 2, here this is 3, so it should be 4, means this should be 22 and this should be 27. करेक्ट. 4 हुआ तो ये 22 हो जाता और इसमें 5 ऐड करते तो ये 27 हो जाता, बट ये है 25 और ये 24, मतलब दो वैल्यू का पैटर्न गलत आ रहा है, मतलब उसके बीच में ये 92 है, मीन्स दिस इज वॉट नथिंग बट योर रॉन्ग नंबर विच इज़ योर ऑप्शन ए. मूविंग अहेड 64 and this is what 34 and this is 36, this is 56, this is 114. You can analyze the series. This 64 into 0.5, that is 32 plus 2. Okay, now 34 into 1 plus 2, so here this is 36. Now 36 into 1.5 plus 2, so 54 plus 2 and that is 56. Now 56 into 2 plus 2, so 112 plus 2, 114. So now what you have to do, you have to multiply this 114 into 2.5 and plus 2 you need to do. So multiply karo, it will become 228 and plus half of this 114 will be nothing but 57. Correct. If we'll add, so here this is what 15 and 285 plus 2, that is 287. Correct. So here you can see 287 will be your answer. Correct. Now the 1 is what remaining value which is और विच शुड बी इनकरेक्ट. ठीक है, नहीं आएगा. देखो 287 को हमें 2.5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, सो इट विल बी इन समथिंग पॉइंट, तो जो कि ये नॉर्मल वैल्यू है, तो इट विल बी रॉन्ग. मूविंग अहेड, हमारे पास अभी डी आई फिर से है, मिक्स डी आई कहते हैं इसे, एंड वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस मिक्स डी आई. करेक्ट. हियर दिस इज व्हाट द मेल फीमेल रेशियो यू कैन से, and this is what the pie chart, and total employees 2500. Moving ahead, see the question, what is the ratio between male employee in administration and printing departments respectively. तो सबसे पहले एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में जो मेल है उसकी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. सो यू कैन से दिस होल पाई विल डिनोट 100%. करेक्ट. And that 100% will be nothing but this 2500, is it? So 1 will be what? 25, means 1% will be what? 25. So this 12% will be nothing but 25 into this 12. So it will be how much? 300. Okay. So this is what total people in administration would be 300. Now you need to divide this in the ratio 7:5. So total 75, 12, and 12 is corresponding to 300, which is nothing but 25 times. So 12 is corresponding to 300. 1 will be what? 25. So male we need. So 7 into 25 will be 175. करेक्ट. तो मेल कितना हो गया? 175. दूसरा, एंड प्रिंटिंग डिपार्टमेंट, अब प्रिंटिंग का निकालना है. सो प्रिंटिंग विल बी हियर 2:3 के रेशियो में अपने को बांटना है. किसको? इस 6 को. करेक्ट. तो 625 को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, बिकॉज 6% विल बी 25 इंटू 6, और इसको डिवाइड बाई 3 कर दो, एंड यू नीड फॉर मेल, सो 2 ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. मीन्स 2/3 से हम मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज दिस टोटल विल बी 3 विच इज़ इन डिनोमिनेटर, एंड 2 विल बी ऊपर क्योंकि मेल चाहिए. सो दिस विल बी 3 2s एंड दिस विल बी 100. अब रिडक्ट कर लो. सो 25 7 जा एंड 25 4 जा, सो 4/7 विल बी वॉट योर आंसर. Sorry, so 7/4 will be nothing but your answer. This is how you can do this question. Moving ahead, we'll talk about this 16th one. What is the difference between the total number of employee in IT and operation department? तो IT में कितना है, देखो IT ये है, so this will be 14 and operation will be this orange, that is 18. इन दोनों के बीच में 4 का difference है, means 4%. So 1% will be 25, so 4 will be 100, so your answer will be 100. Moving ahead, what is the ratio between the total number of males in HR and marketing and the total number of females in those two department? तो मेल फीमेल निकाल के उसका रेशियो निकालना पड़ेगा, करेक्ट. तो चलो HR की बात करते हैं. सो हियर HR 5:3 के रेशियो में है. HR इज़ व्हाट, दिस ग्रीन वाला, सो 16 × 25. अब अपने को मेल निकालना है तो क्या करना है, 5/8 मेल के लिए, और ये हो जाएगा 250, और 16 × 25 तो 3/8 किया तो ये आ जाएगा 150. ओके, सो HR में मेल हो गए 250 एंड फीमेल हो गए 150. अब किस में निकालना है, नाउ यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट फॉर मार्केटिंग. ठीक है, तो मार्केटिंग में 7/8 रेशियो है, और मार्केटिंग का जो स्लैब है ये 15 है. सो 15 × 25 मेल का क्या हो जाएगा 7, और 15 और ऊपर में हो जाएगा 7. टोटल विल बी 7 + 8 15 ना, तो 15 को नीचे और ये 7 विल बी मेल, तो 7 को ऊपर, 15 कट, सो 25 × 7 हो जाएगा 175. एंड फीमेल के लिए अगर मैं बात करूँ तो 15 × 25 अपॉन 15 × 8, करेक्ट. सो 15 इज 200, सो ये हो गया 200. दोनों को ऐड करो एंड हियर 5. नाउ 5 से 5 7 जा, 5 से 8, 5 17 जा, 5 14 जा, so 17:14 will be your answer, fourth one. Moving ahead, how many female employee are there in HR department? अभी निकाला हमने, देखो फीमेल एम्प्लॉई HR में कितना है 150, so ये 150 मार्क कर लो. नेक्स्ट, what is the difference between the male and female employee in logistic department? तो लॉजिस्टिक में पहुँचो, इन दोनों का डिफरेंस है, सो लॉजिस्टिक में आओ, इन दोनों का डिफरेंस है 1. ठीक है, तो लॉजिस्टिक कहाँ है, हियर दिस इज़ व्हाट 11, सो 11% की वैल्यू 11 × 25, नीचे 6 + 5 11 × 1, तो 11 से 11 कट जाएगा, बिकॉज अपने को क्या चाहिए 1/11 की वैल्यू चाहिए ना, क्योंकि टोटल कितना है 6 5 11 और 1 की वैल्यू डिफरेंस कितना है 1 है, सो 1/11, तो 11 ये आ जाएगा 25 विल बी व्हाट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द मेल एंड फीमेल एम्प्लॉय इन लॉजिस्टिक डिपार्टमेंट. सो ऐसे हमने ये क्वेश्चन को ख़त्म किया. बात करेंगे आगे 20th क्वेश्चन विच इज़ द लास्ट वन. अ मैन इन्वेस्टेड X and 2X at 15% simple interest and 8% compound interest for 2 years respectively. The difference between simple interest and compound interest received after 2 years is 820. Find the value of X. देखो बड़ा easy सा question है. So here you can see the simple interest is applied on this X. So 15 plus 15 for 2 years, that will be 30 of this X, correct? So this is what total simple interest, and for compound interest you will do what 8 + 8 8 × 8/100. ठीक है, तो ये आ जाएगा 16.64 for 2 year of 2X because it is applied on this 2X. So total will be 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, and this will be 16 2s are 32 and 133X. And now this difference is saying how much 820. So you can say this will be nothing but 3.28X, and that is 820. So X will be 820 by 3.28. ओके, सो पॉइंट हटाओगे यहाँ पे 2 0, 4 से 4 से डिडक्ट करो एंड 4 8 ज़ा 32 एंड 4 2 ज़ा 4 2 ज़ा 8 and 4 5 ja. Okay, now you can divide with again 2, so 2 4s and 2 1s, and this will be 50. Now this 41 5s 25 means 250. x की वैल्यू आ गई 250. बेसिकली वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ परसेंटेज, तो 1 की वैल्यू यू कैन से कि 250 आई, तो 100 की वैल्यू यू नीड टू पुट 20 मोर, सो इट विल बी 25,000. करेक्ट? होप यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग. सो दैट्स इट.